Hey, what's going on? Daniel here again. Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to share with you 3 online businesses you can start today without spending a dime upfront. And I mean that. And I've also got proof as well. So these are all things that I do in my day-to-day. These are all how I make my own income. I've been a digital nomad now for about a year, for well over a year. I've been traveling full time. And these are things that I do to keep my travel sustainable, to stay on the road so I don't have to freak out when my next paycheck is coming from, because I believe in having multiple streams of income so that when one income stream takes a hit, you're not screwed, at least not too much. So I'm going to dive right into the video and show you the 3 income streams that you can start right now without spending a dime upfront. So the first income stream, the first online business I want to share with you is by creating content. Now, when you think about creating content, a lot of people think about doing YouTube or, just making content for TikTok and, getting paid with AdSense and, all of this ad revenue. But that's not the way it works, at least the way I think about it. So there's a platform called Skillshare. Now, Skillshare is like YouTube, but it's more like Netflix than YouTube. It's a platform where you pay a monthly fee and you get access to content that you can learn from. Say, for example, you want to learn how to shoot video, how to film a video with your mobile phone. Skillshare is a platform you can go to learn that. And there's a ton of things you can learn. You can learn how to take care of your plans, how to become a better, presenter on camera, how to create a YouTube channel, how to do all of these creative things, how to sketch. You can learn that on Skillshare. But it doesn't end there. Skillshare does not have any limit to what you can teach, as long as you can make at least a 20-minute video on the platform teaching what you know to other people, and they can get some, information out of it. So Skillshare is a platform that I've been trying out now for the last 3 months, and I uploaded my first video back in December. It's called YouTube video editing for complete beginners. I was just doing this out of complete curiosity, just wanted to see how much you can actually make on the platform. And the one I'm about to show you in terms of how much I've made, it's not going to change your life, it's not going to make you a millionaire overnight, but this is what I've earned, at least when I've uploaded my video on there. And this has only been one video that I put up on the platform. I've just put up the second one less than a week ago. So as you can see here, this month I will be earning, we're not even halfway into the month yet, and I'll be earning anywhere from $20 to $40, but I've realized that it's usually on the higher side of the range. So I'll be earning, at least for now, if the month ended right now, I'll be earning $40. And this was work that I did back in December. At this point right now, it's been almost 3 months that I uploaded this video. And as you can see right here, this is what I earned in December. I earned $14. In January, I earned $37. In February, I earned $51. And this is how much I've earned in royalties so far, $104, and I earned $10 in premium referrals. So if you refer someone to the platform using your unique link, you get $10 for every person that you refer. So this is how I've been able to generate money with my content. This YouTube channel that you're watching right now, I've not been able to monetize it yet because I need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. I don't know if I'm going to be able to meet that criteria anytime soon. And that's where you come in to help. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do that right now. But the thing with Skillshare is you don't need any subscribers. You don't need to have any form of watch hours. As long as you get at least, I think it's 30 minutes of watch hours per month, you get paid. So far I've gotten 2,157 watch minutes, and I've earned 114. All of this has come passively. I've not done any type of promotion on any channel, on my YouTube, my Instagram, social media, anywhere. I haven't done any promotion, and all of this just came to me very, very passively. And right now I have 104 students on the platform without doing any promotion at all. So this is one of the first ways that you can generate income without spending any money upfront. So the second one that I want to talk about is by providing your services. Now, this is one of my favorite ways because I've been doing this now for well over 3 years. If you don't know, I'm a digital marketer. I offer digital marketing services for companies, individuals, businesses. I help them run ads on Facebook and Instagram, and I help these people. I offer this service that I know to these people, and they pay me every single month or sometimes per project. So this is one of the platforms that I use. So I use Upwork a lot. This is where I get my clients. This is where I reach out to people to get paid. Before I would, cold call, cold email, beg friends and family, but now I don't need to do that. And speaking of Upwork, I do have a training called Upwork 101, how to build a sustainable freelance business on Upwork. And this is one of the ways to which I've earned, the majority of my income in the last couple of months. And if you want to learn how to do that, what I do, even without experience, I'm able to generate clients on this platform. The training will be the first link in description. Go check it out. It's only $29. You don't have to purchase it, but I'm pretty sure you will get a lot of value if you do. So go check it out. Link is in the description. So I use Upwork to find clients and they pay me for it. And now this is my profile here. So I offer digital marketing services. I'm a Facebook strategist, not a Facebook ads manager, Facebook strategist. And I charge anywhere from $50 to $55 an hour, which is on the low end of what people charge on the platform. I know people on the platform would charge upwards of $100, $120 per hour, but the fact that I don't have a lot of hours on the platform yet, people will not trust what I do. But right now I charge anywhere from $55 to $1,000. I mean $55 an hour. So right now I'm working with a client actively on the platform. I have 2 active clients I work with off the platform, and I've earned $1,700 with just one client in just over a month. So that is mind-blowing. So $1,000 may not sound like a lot, but if you have that coming in different places, of course, it all adds up. So right now, Facebook and Instagram ad strategist on Upwork. And let me show you very quickly what I've been able to generate, at least in the last 2 weeks. $2,600. Again, not a lot of money. $1,000 just got deposited yesterday into my bank account, and this is from one of my clients that I work with, which I found on Upwork, by the way. So a lot of people think that you need to have a specialized knowledge or skill or know something in order to use Upwork. When I started on Upwork, I didn't have any experience at all. I just knew how to do one thing. And if you take the training Upwork 101 that I mentioned earlier, I will be going through a way through which you can find your core marketable skill, so that way you can start reaching out to people and offering a service that you are proficient enough to get paid for. So that is the second way through which you can start generating income online. And the third way that I want to mention is something that isn't talked about a lot. I haven't seen a lot of videos about it, but I've made some videos about this in the past, which is by selling on Facebook. Now you may be thinking, how do you sell on Facebook? Well, there's something called Facebook Commerce Manager. It used to be Facebook Marketplace, but Facebook is trying to compete with the likes of Amazon, eBay, and it's still very much at its infancy right now. So if you get in at this stage, you will be making a lot of money. So far I've made about $189 in the last couple of weeks on this platform, and I probably work on this maybe 1 hour per week, because all of this is almost automated. I do not do anything manually, except when I try to fulfill some orders that are kind of problematic. And what do I do here? I only find products on websites like Amazon, eBay, and I use a software called FBM Fox. This is a software that does everything for me. As you can see right here, this is my dashboard. It's going to synchronize all the information from Facebook Commerce Manager, brings it here so you don't have to spend time in there. So it's going to upload the products. As you can see right here, it says upload 39 products. So you can upload products from Amazon in bulk. You can batch upload 1,000 products and push that to your e-commerce, to your Facebook Commerce Manager. And right now I have about let's see, I have about 908 items in my store, which I didn't have to do anything to list those products. I only use the software, and I have right now 6 orders waiting to be fulfilled, 3 of which came in just a few hours ago. So right now, it's not a ton of money, but if you get on it, because I haven't spent enough time because I have other things going on, these are things that you can do in order to start generating income today without spending any money. Isn't it mind-blowing? You don't need to have any money in order to start selling on Facebook. You don't need money in order to start offering your knowledge and skill to other people to get paid for it. And you don't need money upfront in order to start creating content on a platform like Skillshare. So if you have any questions about all of these things that I mentioned, as you can see, these are things that I do myself and I get paid for it. This is how I make my money online, through various sources like this. If you have any questions, let me know down in the comment box below. And if you haven't subscribed, this is the perfect time to do so. I hope that we can get this channel to 1,000 subscribers by, let's say before the end of May, which is fast approaching. So let's make it happen. Anyways, thanks for watching this video. My name is Daniel, and I will see you in the next one.